Hi everybody, my name is Dan and welcome to my kitchen for another delicious episode of Man Cake. Today, I feel like you can't really see them. There we go, little 4-leaf clovers. We're going to kick off St. Patrick's Day with delicious Lucky Charm cookies. All the ingredients we're going to be using today are going to be down below in the description, along with that subscribe button. So you click that and ring the bell and you'll stay up to date on brand new weekly recipes. Now let's get started on these delicious, amazing St. Patrick's Day themed Lucky Charm cookies. So in our mixing bowl, we're going to add 2 sticks of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and a ½ cup of white sugar. Now with our hand mixer, we're going to cream all these ingredients together until they're nice and combined on a medium-low speed. Now with our cookie dough off to a great start, we're going to go ahead and add in the next round of ingredients, starting with 2 eggs, a couple of drops of green food gel coloring, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now with our hand mixer again, on a medium-low speed, we're going to mix the eggs and the vanilla and the food gel coloring with our first round of ingredients till everything again is really just nice and combined. Now with our wet ingredients nice and combined, let's go ahead and push that to the side, grab another mixing bowl and add in 1 cup of grounded Lucky Charms, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a ½ teaspoon of cornstarch, and a ¼ teaspoon of salt. And then we're just going to give those a quick little whisk. So with our dry ingredients nice and whisked up to, with our dry ingredients nice and combined, let's go ahead and add those to our wet ingredients. And then with our hand mixer, we're going to go on a medium-low speed and mix our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients until everything is really mixed well. And lastly, for the cookie dough, we're going to add in 1 cup of Lucky Charms marshmallows and a 2/3 cup of white chocolate chips. Now if you're not a fan of white chocolate, you can always substitute that for any kind of chocolate that you like. But now that we have our 2 last ingredients, let's go ahead and fold in our chocolate chips and our marshmallows. And there is our Lucky Charms cookie dough. Now let's go ahead and let this chill in the fridge for about a ½ hour, 45 minutes. Reset the kitchen. And while that's chilling, be sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So our cookie dough is chilled out, our oven is preheated. Now let's go ahead and take our cookie dough batter and move that to our cookie sheet, lined with parchment paper for no sticking and hassle-free cleanup. And using an ice cream scoop for measurement, let's go ahead and place our cookie dough balls about 1 inch or 2 apart to give a little space. Now let's go ahead and pop these cookies in the oven and bake for 12 minutes. So our cookies are baked, they're cooled on the wire rack, and they look delicious and just nice and green, and the marshmallows look all gooey, and definitely time for this taste test. So let's grab a cookie. There's one soft, chewy, delicious St. Patrick's Day cookie. Or I guess Lucky Charms cookies. Because you can definitely make these any time of the year. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. down below and ring the bell and stay up to date on a bunch of awesome recipes. And if you make these delicious festive cookies, give a tag on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. Until next week, bye!